Hey guys, today we're in Mercer County Lake and we are just in the kayak, enjoying and just relaxing. As you can see, there's like huge trees up there. And yeah, it's just gonna be like this for a while. Something is like flashing against the boat. Yeah guys, now we're gonna be heading the other way. Yeah, now we're gonna be going back to the dock area. No, back, I think we should. Okay guys, I'm gonna go tell that red ball over, I don't know if you can see it, but that red ball. No, wait, is that a person? No, I can't make out if that's a person or not. Okay, whatever. So, my pedal thing. Okay. Yeah, but we're almost at the ride. Oh, that is a person. They're just in their kayak. Okay. But yeah, okay. So we're just gonna go past that red ball right there. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna show you the view in front of me because I know that's a bit boring just looking at a red ball. I put the brightness too high. Sorry about that. Just testing it out. Okay, yeah. So, I see a lot of people right there. Anyway, this is our destination right there. My, what are they called? Oars. Oars. Yeah, they're, my oars were going. Drifting off. Well, the camera makes it look far, but we're like, really close to it. Like, this is actually how close we are to it. Like, yeah, like this. No, this much. Yep, and we're gonna, You smacked that away. Okay, and now we're going back. Yay. I have it zoomed out. Anyway, I have it zoomed out right now. So just you can see. Well, sun. Hey, what happened to the camera? The sun blinded the camera. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe. It really shows your support. Anyway, bye. Thank you for watching.